Today, artificial intelligence is capable of defeating champions at chess and proving unsolvable scientific theorems. But is it possible to earn several $1,000s per session on binary options using tips from a trading bot? Let's check it out right now. Hello, this is Evelyn. I'm a seasoned trader with over 5 years of experience and a win rate of 88.9%. Over the past year, I have made over $2 million, but I don't want to stop, so I'm constantly developing, learning new strategies and discussing them with you in my Telegram channel. And recently, one of my subscribers sent me a link to a free bot with the largest computing power. He claims to have made $5,000 in a week simply by following bot signals from the creators of GPT chat. Sounds like a challenge. Right now, I'm going to test this super bot in real conditions. To be honest, I don't really trust cars, but I'm ready to do anything for you, so I'll risk my money so you don't have to. And together we will find out whether trading with a bot works in practice. This is so damn interesting. Well, if you're looking for the coolest source of reliable and profitable trading signals, join my free Telegram channel. Receive daily signals from me like the other 10,000 subscribers. Copy my transactions and earn from $800 in one session. I support every participant every day. Join for free using the first link in the description or pinned comment. Fine, now let's see if the bot will be as successful in trading as I am. First, I will try to analyze the charts and make decisions on my own, and then I will try to follow only the bot's prompts. Let's see who earns more. But you know the drill. Before we go any further, let's set up our trading platform. Trade time will be set at 1 minute and the candle time frame at 30 seconds. Perfect. Now onto the currency pairs. Today it will be Australian dollar and Swiss franc, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. Third, let's add a reliable pair of indicators. Today it is stochastic oscillator and RSI. Everything is ready, it's time to start our experiment. So the first pair is Canadian and Swiss franc. Let's take a close look at the graph. We understand that from our highest point, there was a downtrend reversal. The stochastic analysis also predicts a price fall. We'll bet $100 down. Excellent result! We won the first trade and the account is at $192. Accurate analysis. By the way, like this video because I share my experience with you for free. Second pair. For a professional trader, it is very important to correctly determine resistance and support levels. On this pair, there was a clear downward reversal from our high and a resistance line since we're following this trend. Let's click down. And great! We were right again and got $368. Let's move on to the next trade. Here we have the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. We are observing a similar situation with a change in trend, and our RSI is already quite close to the overbought zone. So it's time for the chart to go down. And again, we're going down. Took advantage of the trend perfectly. Now the deposit is $707, and all thanks to my knowledge of technical analysis. By the way, do you already have experience trading with indicators? What are your favorites? And what's the maximum you've ever earned? Share in the comments. After all, it's always useful to exchange knowledge among like-minded people. First pair again. Here we see how both indicators give very clear signals for a price to go up. We trust these indicators, so we'll follow them. Clicking up. Perfect! The account now has $1,357, which is a great result for 4 trades. Well, let's make the final transaction without the help of a bot. The pair is Australian and New Zealand dollar. So on this pair, we're observing a long, strong trend, and to mimic the market pattern, it would be logical to invest upward from here. Going up. Gorgeous! Great result! Profit again! In 5 minutes, we increased our balance to $2,277. As you can see, I'm pretty good at chart analysis. Every subscriber in my Telegram knows this. That's why they trust my signals, and by simply copying them, they get a stable profit. Well, now let's see how accurate the trading bot's predictions will be. Before starting the experiment, I withdrew money from my account and left only $800. Yes, in 5 minutes, I can confidently earn more than $2,000, but I'm still not ready to trust even the coolest bot for more than $800. This time, I won't install indicators. Let the bot do the thinking for me, and I'll just follow its cues. By the way, I have already conducted a similar test with previous versions of GPT chatbots on my channel. You can watch the video later. I already have several currency pairs open, so let's get started. Well, now let's begin our test session with the Jet GPT bot. Let's go! First pair. So, yeah, the bot wants to bet on a fall. Let's invest 100 down. Here the bot is absolutely right, as a reversal occurred from our resistance level and a downward trend began. The bot saw this trend and needs to follow it. Not bad. The bot earned $192. This is a good start for the bot, as if he could actually give signals. Second pair. The bot recommends trading up. Okay, we go to $100 up. Apparently, the bot expects a downtrend reversal from the formed low. But here, the decision from the bot is quite risky, since a long channel movement indicates a downward trend. The bot rushed in. The downward movement continued, and the bot lost $200. That's not cool. You know, friends, I still don't really understand what this bot's predictions are based on. This is why I'm not ready to recommend any trading bots to you. But there is something that I'm ready to recommend to each of you. This is my trading training community on Telegram. I put all my knowledge, experience, and love there. Personally, I will show you how to earn money while sitting at home in front of the computer. I will tell you how to work on the pocket option platform, how to analyze indicators, and how to teach you profitable strategies. No bot can provide you with such support. You can be a complete newbie to trading, but achieve the standard of living you've always dreamed of. Join for free using the first link in the description or in the pinned comment. Third pair. Another short trade. Let's go with $150. Pressing the down button. I think the bot is right here, as we're seeing a bearish trend at full speed and the market is falling. Here, our bot has been fixed. We have $828 in our account. So far, the bot's effectiveness remains intriguing. Canadian and Swiss francs. Here is a forecast for the upward movement. Risking 200 and clicking up. I don't agree with the bot. Since this is clearly the beginning of a downtrend, perhaps he suggests that a new resistance level is forming. But the candles have clearly fallen below the promisable level. My doubts were justified. The bot lost my money again, and that's minus $200. Second pair. Let's give the bot the opportunity to return my money. Risk $200. The bot predicts a downward movement. Investing down. The bot is repeatedly offering very risky advice. Since the downward movement has clearly ended and a trend reversal has occurred, it should have indicated a long trade. Minus again. Oh, I haven't had this kind of tension in a long time. It was unusual to trust your money to a machine. Unfortunately, all my fears were justified. The bot did not bring any profit. Moreover, it lost $372 in 5 minutes. I'm a little upset that so many people still believe that a bot is a great binary options trading assistant. And most importantly, I still didn't understand how the bot analyzes charts and what its forecasts are based on. And why does he react to insignificant signals and not see the whole picture? So, no, friends, I will not reveal the name of the bot to provide links to it. I don't want to be responsible for the consequences. You have seen for yourself how an experienced trader is more successful than a machine. But There is a safe and maximally profitable alternative to trading with the ChatGPT bot. It's very simple. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel and trade along my 10,000 subscribers. Every day, together, we earn $600,000 to $700,000. I support everyone and tell them how to use Pocket Option and which buttons to press. Detailed, step by step, and completely free. And you can just copy my trades. The risk is minimal because my win rate is 88.9%. And just look at their happy reviews.
Thanks to your signals, thanks to your analysis.
She's basically changing my financial situations.
Thanks to the information that you share in the group.
I gotta say, I didn't know anything about trading.
So if you want to start your trading career, I highly recommend you to start following her and her signals.
Thank you for responding to my messages.
Her win rate is pretty crazy.
There's a lot of people that can prove it to you.
Thank you. Mwah.
And to be honest, trading and signals are not at all as difficult as it might seem. I will personally support you. Just come to my trades and earn $800 a day. Just follow the link in the description or in the pinned comment under the video and write me a private message. Thanks for watching this video. Like and comment on this video. Bye bye. See you in my Telegram.